Good day, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluwashino Oyeniran. So, in this video, I will be talking about hashing, hash function, hash map, whatever you call it. That's what I will be talking about today. The concept of hashing in computer science helps to optimize data storage and retrieval, particularly in a structure like a hash table. So, what is hashing? Hashing is the process of converting input data such as a key into a fixed size value, typically an integer. So to do that, you need an hash function. So what is an hash function? An hash function takes the data as input and return a hash code, also known as the hash value or the hash index, which is used to determine where to store or retrieve the data in a hash table. One thing is that a very good hash function minimizes collision where two different keys are mapped to the same hash index. So, how does a hash function work? I have a snippet here that can show us how a hash function works. But before we do that, I would like to tell us about hash table. A hash table is a data structure that uses hashing to efficiently store and retrieve data. There is an inbuilt hash function in Python, and that is what we call the Python dictionary. So, Python dictionary are implemented using a type of hash table. It allows for a constant time complexity for lookup, insertion, deleting, in the probably in an average scenario. So how does an hash table work? One, insert. When adding a key value pair to a hash table, the key is passed through a hash function to calculate the hash code. Take for instance, you have a system where you have your name, and the name is going to be coded and will be given a value. When someone else inputs something else, it's going to be coded and given a value. Okay, take a look at this on your phone book. You have a lot of names with their corresponding phone number. So if you are looking for a particular number, it is as good as just type the name of the number you are looking for and it's going to show you the number. So the hash code in that regard could be the number or the owner of the number. So that is how it will work. Now, there is something we call a lookup. That is, you want to retrieve a value. If you want to retrieve a value, like I said earlier, you are looking for a particular phone number on your phone. So in order to look it up, you can just do a kind of global search by searching for the name of the person. But take for instance, if you have two different phone numbers of two different people, but you save it with the same name, then there's going to be collision. So in order to avoid collision, we have an hash table which is going to, in one way or the other, assign different hash their code or hash index to them. So Python can easily do this. Let's take a particular snippet to implement a dictionary. Now look at this code. So in my dictionary, I have apple as 5, banana as 7, and grape as 3. Let's run this code. Nothing is going to happen. But what if I need to look out for a particular item in my dictionary? Let's say I'm looking for an apple. So you see this, I just call this, and it's going to return to me the index or the hash code that I already preset. So this is how hashing work. I can use the same method to call for grape. I can use the same method here, and you see that's the index number. So now, in summary, hashing allows us to efficiently store and retrieve data by converting them into an index via a hashing function. Hash table like Python dictionary are based on this principle and provide rapid access to data, minimizing the time spent in searching. Uh, I have another snippet, a very good snippet here I can use and as an example. Let's see. Okay. So if you look at this is a very complex one though. Let's start from the beginning. Now, I declare an hash map, sorry, a hash map. So the size is going to be 10, and what it's going to do is this function is going to generate a hash code for a given key. So there's going to be parameter key, which is the key to hash. So look at this. So if you insert a key value and it's going to appear into the hash map, so we have a parameter key and the value key. The parameter key is the key for the value, and the parameter value is the value to store. So, like an example I gave us earlier. So the parameter key, which is the key for the value, is look at this. This is the key for the value, and this is the value itself. So let's run this code and see. I'm sorry, this is what I want. So what I have here is that I have name, and the name is John. I have age, and the age is 30. So I need to print the name, which is John, and the age, which is 30. So it's just giving me the value I stored. And this is how an hash function works. There is a mathematical aspect to this. I hope in the future I'll be able to break it down and show you how computer actually calculates uh, in real time. So this is going to be the end of this video. I would like you to subscribe to my channel, like and share the video with your loved ones. In my subsequent videos, I will be talking about something else. I should be talking about graph, and there are a lot of theory that surrounds that. So see you in my next video. Thank you. Thank you for watching my